English Brain Collection. Brainbox, Brainstorm, Brain Dump, Don't Beat Your Brains Out, Brain is Better Than Brawn. Brainbox. It's an informal term used to describe a person who is very intelligent or knowledgeable. The term can be used in a positive or negative way, depending on the context and the tone of the speaker. Tom's a bit of a brain box when it comes to maths. He can solve equations in his head that can take others a lot longer. Brainstorm. Brainstorming is a creative problem-solving technique that involves generating a large number of ideas in a short period of time. It typically involves a group of people coming together to share their thoughts and ideas on a particular topic or challenge. The team got together to brainstorm some ideas for the new ad campaign. Brain dump. This term is often used in the context of brainstorming sessions, study groups, or other situations where people are trying to quickly capture and share information. It can also refer to the act of quickly writing down everything one knows about a topic in order to organize one's thoughts or prepare for a presentation or exam. When I got home from work, I did a brain dump of all the tasks I need to complete the next day. Don't beat your brains out. This phrase means don't exhaust your mental resources. It is often used as a way of encouraging someone to take a break or to approach a problem more calmly and methodically, rather than trying to solve it too quickly or forcefully. Don't beat your brains out worrying about the future. Just focus on the present and take things one step at a time. Brain is better than brawn. This phrase suggests that intelligence and mental abilities are more valuable than physical strength or athleticism. It implies that using one's brain power is a more effective way of achieving success than relying solely on physical abilities. In this job, brain is better than brawn. You need to be smart and strategic to succeed.